Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And tonight's video is about a macro that will help you. A lot of the macros I make and show videos of, they're really just kind of playing around just to give you an idea what the macro would do. But tomorrow or the next couple of days I have to engrave. I've already done the top of these bases. They got holes drilled in them, and a neighbor of mine makes them, and then he puts metal rods and stands up a round piece of wood on it. They're for awards for a company. And then I need to, in the next couple of days, I need to engrave on this beveled edge, which is this right here. I made a video about this last year. I made actually a jig to hold that up in the laser, and I put it about right in here in the bed. But I need to go to the top left corner with these names that are inside of boxes that are the width of that beveled edge. And I've actually got two bevels or two hairlines, because the red one, when you put it to the top of the laser bed and you run your red dot pointer, it will not run along that red line because it thinks it's on the laser bed and it doesn't want to burn your rulers. So the black line is just off of that. So it'll, when I leave my lid open, I run my red dot pointer, it will trace this black line. But as you can see, the steps it took me to put that in the top left corner, I've got 40 of these to do, and I've already started typing them out, and I've got 16 done. But I need them one at a time in that top left corner. So I made a macro, and I'm just going to hit the letter that I made, which is the letter V, like in Corvette, and it put it in the top left corner. Then when I'm done running the job, I'll grab another one and hit V, top left corner, grab another one, V, top left corner, and they're dead set on 0, 0 at that top left corner. So this is going to save me a lot of time from doing how to do that. So how I made that macro, and we're just going to make one. I'm going to put this one in the center of the page. Now I've got record macro setting right here because I use it quite a bit. But if you go under tools and macro, you're going to get these same start recording, and then you can see pause and stop and cancel aren't highlighted because you're not running a macro. So we're going to run a macro. We're going to make this macro right now. So I've got my object selected. I'm going to start recording, and now it's asked me for a name, and I'm going to call it test. And now it's starting to record. So all I have to do is put this, and my node is in the top left corner of my object origin. So all I have to do is type in 0, 0, and it puts it in the top left corner. Now I'm done. All I have to do now is press stop, then go over to Micromanager, which is in that same flyout. And there it is. It's underneath global. So your screen's going to look like this. You need to open up global and recorded macros. And there's our test right there. So we're just going to move this back, and we're going to run this test. And you see it put it in the top left corner. Now to give that a keyboard shortcut stroke, you just left click and assign a keyboard stroke to it. And we're going to put it right here, and we're going to call it, you need to pick a letter that's not being used. So let's try the backslash, which isn't being used, and you're going to assign it and then press OK. Now let's just put this somewhere, and let's hit backslash, and you can see it put it dead on top left corner. You don't have to worry about snapping to it. And then when you're done, just move that one away and click another one. Anyway, I truly hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.